Hello D-Traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. In the program, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Petar Jacimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The US dollar is finishing this trading week with a confident advance across the board. It seems the greenback is on track to extend to rally next week. Let's ask our experts whether they share this outlook. Hi Petar, for 2 weeks in a row you expected growth of the euro-dollar pair, but your forecast has not come true. What exactly went wrong? Does it make sense to revise the trading strategy?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found basically is that there is a change in the trend dynamic. And after the FOMC meeting minutes and after the Euro summit this week, the euro basically changed the curves. And right now, what I basically saw on the 4-hour time frame is that basically we got a head and shoulders formation according to a 4-hour time frame, and that you should watch for selling opportunities. Again, the circumstances changed, and the news events actually affected the volatility on all around global currency pairs. So right now the position is basically the head and shoulders formation is potentially in creation, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities. The level of 1.1486 is a key support. If you see the valid breakout to the level of the 1.1486, then watch also for more downside in the euro versus US dollar. The downward take profit level is at the price of 1.1323, and this is basically a significant low based on previous price action. So this idea will be invalid, basically selling opportunity, and this will be invalid if the price actually go through the 1.1610, which is the swing high and which is the right shoulder from this head and shoulders bearish pattern. So again, after the news this week, the euro dollar made a rotation, and right now this currency pair looks very bearish. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities with a downward target at the price of 1.1323.
The hope for further strength of the pound sterling has been also destroyed. Brexit raises doubts about accuracy of any forecasts, including the currency market.
On the British pound versus US dollar, what happened is, if you remember when I alerted you about the bullish and basically that idea was very good, and GBP versus USD managed it to hit a take profit level. But I alerted you to pay attention to the critical resistance at 1.3288. This was a critical resistance, and the price didn't even have power to retest this high. I alerted you watch for the breakout of this high to confirm further upward continuation, but the price didn't have power to hit that swing high, which is a sign of the weakness. After that, according to a 4-hour time frame, there is a confirmed head and shoulders formation, and there is a successful breakout of the neckline. So my advice after to watch for selling opportunities, since the price failed to retest the swing high. That's a sign of the weakness, and this confirmed head and shoulders formation in the background. So watch for selling opportunities with a downward target at the price of 1.2937. This idea will be invalid if the price go and penetrate 1.3220, which is basically the right shoulder of this head and shoulders formation. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
Traders incurred losses on your forecast for the euro-AUD pair. Now the price is dashing to that level, which should have cancelled the bullish trend. Do you think there is still a chance for the price reversal and retreat to the previous levels?
On the euro-Australian dollar, what happened is basically there was a fake breakout of the key resistance at the 1.6330. The price didn't have power to sustain above this high, and basically we got a fake breakout and a double top formation according to a 4-hour time frame. This basically is a big signal that buyers lost the power and sellers, aggressive sellers came in. And my advice is to watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair with the downward targets at a price of 1.6027 and 1.5830. Both targets are based on the Fibonacci expansion levels, 100% and 161.8%. So again, double top in the background, fake breakout with the key resistance. Watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus Australian dollar.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Petar Jacimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.